Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So this week is another one of our Disney videos. We're going to be doing kind of a walkthrough. We're going to give you as much information as we can about Port Orleans Riverside, which is one of the resorts we stayed at while we were in Orlando. We might try some of their tasty gluten-free options, beignets, anybody? And we're definitely going to show you a snippet of our room, show you what our room looks like and our amenities, and we're also going to show you what it looks like on the grounds here. So Morgan and the family, everybody's getting checked in right now, so I'm going to show you guys some images of what it looks like out here in the morning. It's beautiful. It's probably one of my favorite resorts so far, so enjoy. Alright, so we're checking into our room for the very first time tonight. Oh wow.
So cool.
This is really fancy.
Holy cow, it's so cold.
It's very cold.
Oh my gosh. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's got a cool inscription thing on the table.
Tiana left us a note.
From Tiana. And then they have the different princes. Eugene, Naveen, the prince, Philip.
Tiana.
Ooh, who's on this side? Ooh, look at, wait, Jen, do you see this? And Prince Adam, Aladdin, Prince Charming, and Prince Eric. Look at all the detail around the TV. My TV has never been so fancy.
Wow, that is really fancy.
Yeah, wow, look at the dresser is really cool. And they have, this actually almost looks like the Aladdin magic carpet down here. So we are in a, is it a, we are in a, is it a garden view, poolside view? Do you know which one? With 2 double beds. The outside is kind of built out like a motel on the outside. And it's a very, very large resort. And this wall has all the
Lovely princesses.
different princesses on it.
There's a really pretty picture of Tiana in the corner of the room. It looks like maybe Snow White used to be here because the initials SW are down at the bottom. But she moves. I don't know if you guys can see her move in the frame. She moves a little bit. Anyway, kind of a fun little aspect of the room.
There's so many different themes in this room.
Yeah.
And we were just laying on the bed and we're looking up at the border and there's Chip and Gus and his friend, and then there's the magic lamp over there all around the border. Well, I mean, I don't know how hidden they are, but yeah, there's Mickey's over there. And then up in the bathroom there is a whole different banner with Sebastian. Well, there's some Rapunzel characters, Pascal. Oh yeah, I see Ray. Wow, and the bathroom has 2 mirrors, 2 sinks. Which one's yours?
Sparkly. This one is mine. Ooh, look, there's like the teacup.
Oh wow. Teacup, it looks more like a magic lamp.
Oh yeah. Look at the spoon, the forks.
The forks. Oh,
And
the dingle hopper and the snorf blaster. Here's some of the shower with also bathtub, so fancy soaps. Has a an ironing board and a save and this wonderful little, I like this, I mean you were playing with it earlier, but the little kind of like privacy screen thing. You got like fancy curtains too. Drawers. I assume this other one is the
refrigerator, yeah.
refrigerator?
Very nice.
Really nice. 3 different drawers. Got the, even the ice bucket is fancy. Even the, are these just the thing for that? How do
I think
pull these
so.
down?
I don't know.
Someone was like, there's a family coming through on the other side, and I'm just like, I have my face like suckered up to the...
Oh, that's just bringing it down. Maybe you just pull the drapes aside. Maybe that's how you have to do it.
And the family just was like walking by, and I had my face like...
So what do you think of it?
It's really cool. Look at like the coat hangers.
Did you see the
Everything looks... I can't believe how
carriage up top?
fancy the air conditioner and heater looks.
Yeah, everything looks fancy.
Yeah. We came across the bridge to get to our room, which is called... What's our
Parterre
section?
Place.
Parterre Place is our section.
Yeah.
And I totally forgot that they do carriage rides here with huge, like Clydesdale horses. We'll sleep tonight and we'll wake up tomorrow and
Ready to go, ready to check it all out.
We'll see how good the beds were and everything.
There you go.
How well we sleep, you know, get a full review.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So, all right, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right, so this morning I was on the phone with Disney Magical Express and I found this little button on the side of the headboard. Right over here. Morgan's gonna press it for us.
Ready?
And it does something magical.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Look at
And
it.
then there's fireworks, you guys.
I feel like that's such an easy thing for anybody to miss.
It really is. But like your kids would just adore it. And it goes and goes and goes for maybe like 15 seconds and then it stops.
It'll shut off.
So it won't go all night, which is kind of nice as well.
We just woke up, showered and everything.
So to me, the bed is harder than a bed I would appreciate. However, it seemed to be fairly standard but higher quality Disney resort bed. I was very pleasantly surprised, very happy. I shouldn't even say pleasantly surprised.
No, I felt like it was, so it is a moderate resort, but I
Yeah.
felt like the mattress was a little more comfortable than some of the values I've stayed at. I did really like, so when I showered this morning, I noticed how large the shower was because it kind of like bows out. The only complaint I kind of did have is there was like hair from possibly the last people that stayed here. Nothing that like I freak out about.
Right. Really nice experience. We really have enjoyed this resort.
Yeah, I really like...
It's kind of magical.
I like the walking around and stuff that you can see in some of our other videos. Like when we went to go get the beignets and everything like that. So it was really, really nice. But other than that, that'll do it for this, and we'll see you at the next resort.
Bye guys.
Bye.